So I asked ChatGPT to show me how to make $100 a day online. The question really, though, or the focus is, was it right? Well, here's the conversation that I had, and I just asked a simple question, and I did lead it a little bit with the prompt or the question that I asked it. I asked, how can I make $100 a day online? I want to start for free or as cheap as possible. I heard about email newsletters. How can I start for free? So I did lead it a little bit to the sort of conclusion or to take me down the path of showing me how to create an email newsletter. I did like its response at the beginning. Make $100 a day online is a realistic goal, but it will take time, effort, and some consistency. Yes, I agree. Starting for free or cheaply is a great approach. Again, 100% agree with that. And one of the methods that could work well for you is building an email newsletter. Again, I did lead it to this conclusion or this idea of creating an email newsletter. Then it gives me a step-by-step guide on how you can start. But is this truly a step-by-step guide? Or when you step back and you look at this list, choose your niche, set up an email list, create content for your newsletter, grow your audience, monetize your newsletter, focus on building relationships and be consistent. And then a bonus tip down here, combine strategies. Are these really strategies or are these just tactics? Is this really just a list of things that I need to know or a list of things that are good ideas, but leave me with the problem of great, how do I actually start? Well, there are three things that you need to start a profitable online business or that you need to understand before you start. And the focus has to be on building these three pillars. Inside my affiliating profitable online business 9-step roadmap, I give you this top strategy or my proven top strategy. The very first thing you need is traffic. Then you need an offer. Then what you want to do is you want to put people on an email list. Again, I led ChatGPT to this idea of building an email list or starting a newsletter. So if you go back to ChatGPT, that's why when it gave us this information or this tactic, this step of set up your email list, choose a free email marketing platform, and then it list a few here. None of these I would actually recommend simply because they all have issues for what I think is the best way to build a profitable online business, following my proven top strategy of generating traffic from right here on YouTube. Coming up with one really good offer that solves a problem for people once you actually pick a topic, which is the very first step inside of my proven top strategy and my 9-step roadmap for building a profitable online business. But to go back to ChatGPT, was it wrong? Do you need to choose a niche? Yes, you do need to choose a niche, but choosing a niche is hard. What if there was a way to really focus in on something simple? Or like I always say, just pick a topic, which is just a how-to question. Pick a problem to solve and then help people by creating consistent content and start here on YouTube. Set up an email list. Yes, but that's not where you start. Create your newsletter. Write valuable content. Okay. That sort of leaves me hanging, right? Frequency, send newsletters consistently. Well, you don't have anyone signed up for your newsletter. So why am I down here creating content for my newsletter, setting up my email list? Choosing a niche is important. Picking a topic to solve a problem, a how-to question, a problem to solve. Choosing your niche, yes, is number one, but choosing a niche is hard. That's why I like to say pick a topic. But then to dive into setting up your email list, creating content for your newsletter, before you learn how to grow your audience, I just believe that you should grow your audience first. And that's why I have a system or at a high level inside of affiliating, which is a system to build a profitable online business. It's filled with all the tactics and techniques or the steps, just like ChatGPT gave us, but it's based upon a proven strategy of first generate traffic, then let people know about an offer, then focus on people or putting people on an email list to build relationships with them. Because as you see right here, again, inside of what ChatGPT gave us, and again, ChatGPT is not wrong, but is it correct? The focus has to be on the realistic goal of building your email newsletter. Step 6, focus on building relationships. Engage with your readers. You don't have any readers yet. Be consistent. You need to be consistent in the beginning to start building those relationships inside of the niche that you are growing your audience. So it's really just, the best way to say it is, it's out of order. And then it's not truly broken down over the course of making $100 a day is a realistic goal, but it will take time. Over the course of the time it's going to take you, you need a realistic time horizon to look at. And what I have for you is a workshop that's based on Profit Wormhole, the 30-day route from non-earner to potential millionaire, an original report written by Tony Shepard with commentary by Gary Lynn Baker, me, from right here at 30 Minute Marketing. And what this report is, it literally is everything that you need to know to shortcut your way to profit, to start with the introduction of understanding time and how time works and the relativity of time and the focus that is required on the time to build your profit wormhole, or to take the 30-day route from non-earner to potential millionaire. So again, looking at ChatGPT, it's not wrong if you want to focus on building a newsletter to make $100 a day. It's actually really good advice, but beginners don't actually know that this is out of order. They don't have any idea. And if you're a beginner, it's not your fault. You just don't know. That's why I've created this workshop where, and we're on day 8 currently, but anyone can start at any time. And there's 30 days where I break down the report, which I'm going to give you a copy for free, plus an appendix that has my thoughts on every aspect of the report. And then you come along for 30 days, you follow along with exactly what I'm thinking, my step-by-step strategy, my proven 9-step roadmap, what I was thinking when I read the report. And then, for example, day 8 is about becoming autonomous. Build trust and take control of your business in day 8. And I created a video here, why independence matters and how to build trust from day one, but a focus on the system, the strategies, the tactics, and the techniques and individual steps that you need to take. And I've broken all that down into action steps, action plans. You can even search the report for where I got all this detail. It gives you an outcome, a summary of my thoughts. I recommend some books and some other reading material. And then I sort of give you some questions here to really focus in on what needs to happen, what you need to accomplish. And as well as there's a video. These videos range anywhere from like 6 to 8, some up. I think this is like 20 minutes. One is like 30 minutes. It's not about how long the video is. It's just like what you're watching here on YouTube. It is me showing you inside of a workshop a breakdown of a report that gives you everything you need to know over 30 days to build your own route or your own path from someone that has never earned any money online to a potential millionaire, starting with the idea that was generated from ChatGPT. And the simple fact is, it's not wrong. The steps are all correct. They're just in the wrong order, and you need to be able to focus on what you don't know. And that is what the workshop is about. It's about setting you up and understanding the potential that you have for making money online when you focus for 30 days and walk through, or workshop it with me and walk through step by step, building a system based upon a proven strategy with actual step-by-step roadmap, so you can understand exactly the correct order to put things in sequence based upon exactly really what ChatGPT told me. So was it right? Yes. But was it wrong? Yes. Click the link in the description. I would love to workshop this with you for you to understand exactly the potential that you actually have to make money online. Link in the description. Check out the information I got there. Then come join me in the workshop. I look forward to seeing you there, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.